Good day, one and all. My name is Kathy, and welcome to this episode of the Scrap and Crafty Garden. Today, I got my January release kit from GinaK Designs, so I thought I would unbox it for you. I have cut the box, but I have not opened it or taken any of the contents out. So let's see what I have inside here. And I'm just going to pull these out and set them aside so I can get the box off my desk. And of course, the drop stuff. All right. I'm going to start with, this is my invoice. All right, and this is the incentive set for this month. Dreams come true. I do need to put my glasses on. Okay. May all your dreams come true. And it's got these beautiful flowers. I remember ordering the die set for that, so that should be in here also. Set my invoice aside. Now, she had some new colors come out. And since I have all of GinaK's colors, well, except for the neon colors, I don't have those. Let's see how we open this. I'm anxious to see the new colors. Okay, where's the beginning? There it is. We've got Sunkissed Coral. Oh, that is pretty. And Emerald Coast. Not quite what I think of when I think of emerald. I think of a really dark emerald green, but this is it's a coastal green. That is very pretty. You can see that. And then, yeah, she had 4 new colors. So I ordered the ink and then the matching cardstock that went with it. So let me set the sticky papers aside. Then the next 2 colors are Butterscotch. Oh, and that's beautiful. I love that yellow. And Blue Sky. Oh, that's a nice pale blue. I usually use my Tim Holtz blue for skies, but I think this one might work. So I'll try that soon. All right, let's go with this stick set. Sorry for the noise. Okay, now here's the die set that goes with the incentive set. This one was free. This one you have to pay for. And see, I'm off camera. This one's free. This one you had to pay for. And I like that little set. And then I ordered the labels that go on the new. You put these on the side of your inks so that you can see easily the color. Because I keep mine stacked like this on the shelf by color, and then I have the little labels down here so that I can easily see what color. All right, and then I ordered Flowering Friendship. Of all the treasures we accumulate in life, the most precious is true friendship. It's the friends we meet along the way that help us appreciate the journey. I am thankful for many things, but most of all, my exquisite taste in friends. What a wonderful thought it is that some of your best days haven't even happened yet. A single flower can be my garden. A single friend can be my world. Now, I love that saying. This was the stamp and die bundle, so it comes with matching dies too. That is just beautiful. And then here's the papers that match the new inks. This is the Blue Sky. I see a little bit of a shadow up here. This is the Butterscotch, which on camera, it makes this look like it's a really bright yellow, but it's kind of a light golden yellow, like butterscotch would be. A little bit lighter than a butterscotch chip, though. This is the Emerald Coast. And I don't know if you can see the true color. And then Sunkissed Coral. And then this is the exclusive card kit for January. You get a nice little pair of detailing craft scissors. And it has a little safety guard. And then the kit contains the Spring Forest. It's the stamps. And it says and dies. So, yeah, I see the magnetic sheet in there, so the dies are in there also. Friendly wishes. This says, thanks for being there. Congratulations. Happy birthday. Hello, friend. Let's celebrate you. From all of us. Love you. Wishing you a happy day. A big hello. And that is the stamp and the die bundle. And then spring clusters. Grateful for your love and support. Best friend, you're in my prayers. Happy birthday. That's a nice size birthday sentiment. And sending love, thinking of you, and hello, friend. So you get the stamps. And my camera focus is really off today. I do apologize. I'll have to see if I can figure out what's going on there. And the matching die set. And then stencils. Let's see. This is the sheet. This tells me you have a double peony. Oh, yeah. 2 peonies together. That's a double layering stencil. I'm anxious to use that. I love stencils. And then this is the spring clusters coloring stencils. So that goes with this set. This is the coloring design for these flowers. And I think tomorrow I'll make a card with this set. And I want to use one of the new colors. Let's try. We're going to do blue sky tomorrow. So tomorrow's video will be using the blue sky paper, this stamp set, and of course I'll throw in the blue sky colors, but I might throw in a couple more of these colors too. All right, that is it for today. I'll be back tomorrow using this set, and you can't see that very well. Let me just try moving my camera up a little bit or down. Well, down will get you closer. You can see some of it. I'm going to use this set tomorrow to create a card with. All right. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Short video today. Lots to do.